You reach for a perfect mango and freeze. Do you point, ask, or just hope you bought the right thing? Welcome to Spanish for Nomads, episode 106. I'm Sarah Thompson with Carlos Mendez. Today we'll teach you 6 market lines to get fresh food, quick cooking tips, and maybe a new friend, while protecting your energy and your skin on the road. Let's get into it.
Yes, this is the part where language pays for itself. We'll say each line at normal speed, then slowly, and we'll show a real stall interaction you can mimic. You'll end up with 2 lines you can use tomorrow.
Okay, first thing I ask when I'm overwhelmed by fruit, try this opener at the stall. ¿Qué está de temporada? ¿Qué está de temporada? Translation, what is in season?
Right.
Say it slower with me. ¿Qué está de temporada? Then natural, ¿qué está de temporada? If you ask that every visit, you'll pick denser nutrients, better energy, and clearer skin over time.
Next, when you're comparing stalls or budgeting, this one saves you from surprises. ¿Cuánto es por kilo? ¿Cuánto es por kilo? It means how much per kilo.
Slow with me. ¿Cuánto es por kilo? Then normal. Tip, knowing per kilo price keeps your food budget steady. Less stress, better sleep, better skin.
Now, if you can't taste before buying, this line is gold. ¿Puedo probar uno pequeño? ¿Puedo probar uno pequeño? It means, can I try a small one?
¿Puedo probar uno pequeño? I use that when I'm juggling a tiny kitchen, saved me from a bad mango last week and one ruined meal.
Good one. Next up, when you want a quick cooking trick, try asking, ¿Cómo lo preparo rápido? ¿Cómo lo preparo rápido? How do I prepare this quickly?
¿Cómo lo preparo rápido? Vendors usually give 2-step tips, perfect for a travel kitchen and keeping nutrients intact.
When you need food ready to eat or travel friendly, this helps. ¿Me puede pelar o cortar un poco? ¿Me puede pelar o cortar un poco? Can you peel or cut a little for me? And to open a short chat, this one turns a sale into a story. ¿Me da un consejo para cocinar esto? Can you give me a tip to cook this?
¿Me da un consejo para cocinar esto? One tip can become a repeat vendor who saves you the best produce.
Quick fallback if a name trips you up. ¿Cómo se llama esto en español estándar? Use that to avoid regional confusion.
A quick worry some listeners have. I'll sound clumsy or offend a vendor. I actually find questions show respect for local knowledge.
I get that, but sometimes vendors are slammed. If they seem rushed, ask one quick line like, ¿Qué está de temporada? And come back later for tips. Read their body language.
Right. Friendly curiosity first. Respect times second. If they're open, the chat can give storage tips, recipes, or a spot to buy the best stuff next time.
Okay, role play time. I'll be the vendor, you're the traveler. Start when you approach the stall. I'll interrupt like a real market if I need to.
Hola, buenos días. ¿Qué está?
¿De temporada hoy? Hoy hay tomates, mango y plátanos muy maduros. ¿Busca algo en particular?
Perfect. ¿Cuánto es por kilo de tomates?
Son 2 euros por kilo, pero espere un momento, por favor. Estoy con otro cliente.
Perdón, no hay problema.
Adelante, pruebe un tomate pequeño.
Gracias. That's sweet. ¿Cómo lo preparo rápido para una cena ligera?
Córtelo en rodajas, un chorrito de aceite de oliva, sal y limón. Listo en 5 minutos. También puedo pelarlo y cortarlo si lo quiere llevar así.
¿Me puede pelar o cortar un poco, por favor?
Claro, se lo dejo listo. Y un consejo, si lo guarda en la nevera con un paño húmedo, se conserva mejor para varios días.
Perfecto, gracias. ¿Me da un consejo para cocinar esto? Eso helps my travel routine a lot.
There! You just used the lines in a real flow. See how a short question turned a sale into a helpful exchange?
Quick practice plan. In the next 48 hours, visit a market or an online local stall. Use at least 2 of these lines, record yourself saying them slowly once, and note one storage or nutrition change you'll try this week.
If you want faster progress, grab the Market Phrase Pack in our 30-day course. Downloadable cheat sheet, audio, slow, and normal clips, and a timed discount for the next 72 hours. It's what we use in the course module to build market confidence.
To wrap, ask what's seasonal, check price per kilo, request a sample, ask quick prep tips, request peeling or cutting, and ask for a cooking tip. Practice slowly, then use them live. Your meals, skin, and energy will thank you.
Exactly. Master the language, master your nomad life. Try the 48-hour challenge and tell us your quick wins. We love hearing them.
That's it for today. Practice these phrases and habits this week. Remember, learn Spanish, optimize yourself, connect deeper.